Greetings, dear enthusiasts of style and comfort. Welcome back to another enriching episode on your beloved channel, Decor Puzzle 2.0. As the sun kisses the day goodbye, we retreat to our personal haven of peace and tranquility, our bedrooms. Today, we are here to take you on a prolonged journey of inspiration, traversing through realms of popular bedroom designs that are reigning the charts this year. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and allow us to unfold a world of luxury, comfort, and style before your eyes. In the transformative world of home interiors, bedrooms have risen to be the canvas where individual personality, aesthetics, and desires take a tangible shape. Today, we unveil the magic behind creating bedrooms that are not just for slumbers but stand as a testament to elegance and personal style. From the simplicity of minimalism to the grandeur of modern luxury, come along as we navigate through the corners of bedroom designs that promise not just comfort but a sublime experience. As we commence our journey, we first find ourselves amidst the purity of minimalistic design. Imagine walking into a space where each element, from furniture to fixtures, narrates a tale of simplicity and function. This is a world where the clutter is non-existent, and every piece of furniture is a work of art that complements the others in a harmonious dance. Here, the color palette is subtle, often playing with shades of white, beige, or gray, giving the room an airy, light, and open feel. And as we delve deeper, we see how minimalism isn't about deprivation, but about subtracting the obvious and adding the meaningful. Next on our list is the epitome of luxury and comfort, the modern luxurious bedroom. Incorporate elements such as plush headboards, silk linens, and statement lighting. Don't shy away from adding a touch of metallic accents for that extra sparkle. This design exudes sophistication, promising you a royal retreat right in the confines of your home. From the tranquil corridors of minimalism, we step into the vibrant embrace of the bohemian style. A bohemian bedroom is a mirror to the soul of an artist, a free spirit playing with colors, textures, and patterns in a way that is boundless and free. As we venture further, we witness a harmonious chaos, a marriage of vintage furniture pieces with vibrant rugs, and walls adorned with art that tells a story. Here, the play of bold colors and patterns invite you to a space that is alive, ever-changing, and deeply personal. Dive deep into this design philosophy and explore the myriad ways to bring a burst of life into your bedroom. Leaving behind the colorful palette of the bohemian style, we now enter a space where luxury meets modernity. The modern luxurious bedroom is the epitome of sophistication and grace. As we explore further, we find ourselves amidst sleek furniture, rich textiles, and metallic accents that scream luxury from every angle. Here, the focal point could be a grand headboard that commands attention or a chandelier that adds a sparkle to the room. Delve into the world of modern luxury, where each piece is a statement, each color is rich, and each texture invites you to sink into a world of comfort and opulence. As we continue our journey, we are gently ushered into the serene world of Scandinavian design, where simplicity meets elegance. Picture light-filled rooms adorned with furniture pieces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. In this space, you will find a seamless blend of modernity and nature, a canvas where neutral tones sing a lullaby of tranquility. Come, immerse yourself in this design trend that embraces the beauty of simplicity and the warmth of a home filled with light and natural elements. As we inch towards the end of our journey, it's time to gather some golden nuggets that you can take home. Designing a bedroom is a personal journey, and here are some tips to guide you on this path. 1. Lighting. Consider lighting as jewelry for your bedroom. Add layers of light to create a dynamic space. 2. Textures. Incorporate a mix of textures to add depth and character to your room. 3. Personal touch. Remember, your bedroom is a reflection of you. Add elements that resonate with you personally. Let these tips be the stepping stones as you embark on the journey to create your dream bedroom. For those who find peace in understated elegance, the Scandinavian design awaits to envelope you in its warm and inviting hues. The blend of functionality and simplicity, paired with subtle tones and natural materials, crafts a serene space that appeals to the minimalist at heart. Remember, a touch of greenery and adequate natural light are your best companions in this design journey. And as the curtain falls on this enriching journey through the realms of bedroom designs, We hope that you are leaving with a heart full of inspiration and ideas to transform your personal space into a haven of comfort and style. Remember, your bedroom is a canvas awaiting the strokes of your creativity. So let loose your imagination and craft a space that resonates with your soul. As we wrap up our voyage through the latest in bedroom designs, we hope to have ignited a spark of inspiration in you. Remember, at Decor Puzzle 2.0, we are all about turning your decor dreams into reality. Stay tuned for more insights, ideas, and inspirations. Until then, happy decorating! Before you step out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to continue being a part of this beautiful journey with Decor Puzzle 2.0. Your space to dream, design, and decorate. Until we meet again, keep decorating and keep dreaming.